The National Testing Agency (NTA) has opened the registration window for IIFT 2022 MBA entrance exam. Candidates with a bachelor's degree in any discipline are eligible to apply for IIFT entrance. Also, the final year students of graduation can apply. Candidates can fill the IIFT 2022 application form online only on the official website iift.nta.nic.in. The last date to fill the form is October 15. Here, in this video, we provide a step-by-step guide to fill the IIFT application form. Before jumping on to the IIFT registration process, let's check out some important dates that candidates must know and keep a track of. IIFT 2022 MBA admission. Important dates. IIFT 2022 registration started on September 2, 2021. The last date to fill IIFT 2022 application form is October 15. IIFT entrance exam date is December 5, 2021. Let's check out the IIFT application process. Visit the official website of IIFT NTA, iift.nta.nic.in. Next, click on Apply for IIFT MBA IB 2022-24 only for Indian candidates tab. A page will open. Here, click on New Registration tab. Read the instructions and procedure for online submission of application form. Scroll down, tick the checkbox and tap on Click here to proceed. IIFT 2022 application form will open before you. Fill in all your personal details, contact details, permanent address, choose password and security PIN. Click on Submit. Next, the system will show Review page. Either click on Edit Registration Form or Final Submit button. Now, click on the Complete Application Form tab. Fill in the personal details such as name, date of birth, gender, father and mother's name, category, IIFT campus preference, etc. Next, choose the 4 test cities as per your preference. Enter the academic qualification details of Class 10, Class 12, graduation, post-graduation, professional qualification, employment details. Enter the security PIN and click on Submit. Now, screen will display a dialog box where candidates need to click on Edit Application Form or Final Submit. Now, upload requisite documents, photograph and signature in prescribed size and format. The specifications are as follows. The photo should be recent and in black or white color background. The size of the photo should be between 10 KB to 200 KB and it should be in JPG or JPEG format. The size of the scanned signature should be between 4 KB to 30 KB and it should be in JPG or JPEG format. The category certificate, if applicable, should be uploaded in size between 50 KB to 300 KB. Now, pay the application fee for IIFT 2022 by clicking on Proceed for payment. IIFT 2022 application fee. General EWS, OBC, NCL candidates have to pay Rs 2,500. SC, ST, physically disabled candidates have to pay Rs 1,000. Choose payment mode. Next, the computer screen will display the confirmation page. Take a printout of the receipt for future reference. The intimation regarding the successful submission of the IIFT application will be sent to the registered email ID of the candidates. Hope this video helps you to successfully submit your IIFT application form. If you find this video helpful, then share it with your fellow aspirants. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.